Hello, my name is Lachie McWilliam, and today I will be presenting to you my project, The Behaviour of Cold Form Steel Structures in Fire. First, what are cold form steel structures? Cold form steel structures have become increasingly popular due to their cost effectiveness, ease of construction, and design flexibility. The structure I propose embodies these advantages, resembling a small office building made from 2 stories high. The cold form steel framing provides strength and stability while adhering to relevant building codes. So the whole purpose of this test is to test for fire safety. The cold form steel structure has been designed to meet a fire resistance rating of 30 minutes. This rating will ensure that the structure can withstand the effects of fire for a sufficient period, which will allow for safe evacuation and minimize damage to the building. Before the literature review, the main aims of the project was to understand how two different structural systems behave in severe fire scenarios. This would be a timber and a cold form steel structure. Upon conducting the literature review, I found a lack of how multi-story structures behaved in fire conditions. Also, a lack of 30-minute fire resistance ratings with a high fire load density. Due to this, the revised aims have been to build a 2-story cold form steel structure that mimics a small office building. It's still having a fire resistant rating of 30 minutes, but using a very high fire load density that could be either 600 mj per meter squared or 800 megajoules per meter squared. Up to this point, the research has showed that cold form steel can maintain its form even with high fire loading. But the purpose of this experiment would be to determine how a 2-story building would behave. The progress to date, so far, 2 iterations of buildings have been proposed. This first one was a 3 by 3 meter structure, which was formulated in the early stages of the proposal. And now we have moved on to a 3 by 8 meter structure, which is the current design that I was been going with. Currently, with the help of James and Charles, I've been collaborating with the Pro Vice Chancellor of Swinburne University, Heng Ho Lau. The objective being to test a structure in Malaysia, similar to the test done that involved Charles and James and Professor Lau. Collapse of behavior, Collapse behavior of fire engineering designed single-story cold form steel buildings in severe fires. Thus far, we hope to be conducting these tests in August with the help of grants from Swinburne University. Until then, I am to further iterate the drawings and provide detailed, more detailed drawings to assist Professor Lau